Saj, the copyright violations are going crazy right now. Oh my god, these things are really tight.
I know. Oh no, I'm gonna be in the whole POV, aren't I?
You are. I mean, I could keyframe it, but I don't
like
want
that.
to.
Go like that.
I mean, I guess I could. Like this?
Yeah, to see like. Oh yeah. Are you filming that way or this way?
This way.
You probably look better watching out there.
I mean, yeah, I guess so. I guess I could just put it like this. There we go.
Mike's about to get so dizzy, he's gonna throw up.
And the best part is I have a free hand now. Oh, this place is a great adventure.
Is this a Zamperla?
I don't know.
I feel like it is. Look at the door.
We should check Wikipedia. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monster Mix-Up. For your safety, please remain seated with hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. All loose articles, including hats, towels, and cameras, are not permitted. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Good thing this is gonna get muted. Oh my god. Need help there?
Nope, we're sitting a lot.
Whoa! Yep. No, I tried focusing on a teacup.
Don't move. It's like
El Diablo where one side's faster than the other?
I don't know.
We're stopping and look how fast we're going. Oh my god! Oh my god!
My head.
I can feel my head. Oh my god! Oh man!
That was the freak. Here, you go up first.